Are those tiny nails growing fast? I'll show you how to trim them safely. Trimming is easiest when baby is calm or even asleep. There are a few different tools to choose from. Clippers are classic. Some of them have lights and even a magnifying glass, so you can see the nail easier. Tiny scissors have rounded tips for safety. Files are very gentle and easy to use, and there are even electric buffers available if you would like to use that instead. When you're ready, have your tool handy. Take the pad of his finger and gently press down so you expose the tip, and when you cut, you just cut straight across. If there are any sharp edges, just use the file or buffer to smooth it out. And if you accidentally nick the skin, don't worry, just press with a soft cloth, and later you can wash it with soap and water.